Hello and welcome. It's your girl, Victoria S. with your educational how-to videos in 6 minutes or less. Today, our featured tech tool is Touchcast. Let's get it. As always, we're going to go over what is Touchcast, what are the features of Touchcast, and what are the possible classroom uses. Touchcast is an app for iPad that records video and allows for overlaying like web pages, videos, photos, and much more. Touchcast calls these layovers VAPs. I'm going to go over the features of the whiteboard, green screen, and teleprompter. I will also be discussing the possible classroom uses simultaneously. You're just going to select your Touchcast app. Here, this is how it looks. Typical sign up and log in. Once you get to the home screen, you're going to select a new Touchcast. You can choose from these different templates. Very popular in school, the News Studio, Talk Show, also the Business Cast or Newscast. All of these backdrops or templates can be used. We're going to start from scratch, however. You'll be directed to this display. You're going to be able to access the microphone, the camera, and these different features that you can use. This is your swap if you want to use like the selfie camera, or you want to use your back camera. You can swap it around this way. I'm going to go over the whiteboard feature. Your glass is your camera view. Then you can use the grid also. You can also use the chalkboard and then the whiteboard feature. These are a few of the tools you can use: the pen, eraser, text, arrow, rectangle shapes. You can use those. You can change the width and the color also. Just going to quickly go through a text in the pen. Change the font size by sliding this along and type whatever you type inside of the text box. It will appear. You can select the pen and draw, kind of like the Khan Academy style or a teaching tutorial, some kind of skill. You can also use this button to save and clear the board, and then you can use your saved boards when you are recording. Now we're going to go back to the glass. We're going to go over the green screen. So you're going to go to Effects. You're going to access your green screen. Then you can choose what you want your backdrop to be. So whether from a photo, video, I'm going to choose photo. And you can choose from your personal album that's on your device, the things that they already have, also Touchcast stock footage, and also the cloud services that they have already uploaded. I'm going to choose from my personal album. That is here, and I'm going to select the photo from there. Now your VAPs, those are how you insert your layovers. They have a very wide variety to choose from. So just from the internet, your OneDrive, Facebook, YouTube, any of these outside resources you can pull in as your layover for your device. I'm going to show you how to pull in a GIF. So with this feature, you can have students pull in any type of video and then have them discuss the video as it is playing. So for example, I could record myself completing a math computation incorrectly and then have students explain where I went wrong. If I don't like the video, I just select it here and remove it. I went back to my VAPs, and now I'm going to add in a Twitter VAP. Now I'm going to access my Twitter account, which is a live feed, and I'm going to pull up my Twitter and have this as a layover on my video that I'm going to record. Now the last feature that I'm going to go over is the teleprompter. When you select the teleprompter, then this little gray box will show up. It will not show up on your video, so you will be able to see the words, but it will not record the words as they are coming up. This is great for your broadcasting if your school has a broadcasting, or even if students are having trouble remembering what they want to record, you can use the teleprompter. You would simply hit the edit key. This box will populate, and then you would just type in the text. Thank you for tuning in to Victoria S. Then the text will show here. and you can control the speed in which the text will float across the screen. You can also control the size of the font as well. And you're ready to record. Thank you for tuning in to Tutorial S. Now I'm going to show you a recording of the video so you can see that the teleprompter does not show.
Thank you for tuning in to Tutorial S.
Now you're ready to save your project, and you'll just type in and save it how you want to the device or just to Touchcast app. And that's Touchcast in 6 minutes or less. Please remember to like and subscribe below. Tutorial S out. Continue to empower.